Finding profitable products is one of the biggest challenges for creators and online sellers. Many people spend weeks creating products only to discover that there is very little demand for that. That's why tools that provide product research and AI powered insights have become so valuable. In this video, we are taking a closer look at EverBee and exploring how it can help creators to find product opportunities, understand market demand, and create products more efficiently. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover useful software tools that can save time and help you to grow online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description, because by using the description link, any available discount or promotion that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Basically, EverBee is a research tool designed mainly for creators, print-on-demand sellers, digital product creators, and online entrepreneurs. The platform helps users discover product ideas by analyzing marketplace data and identifying products that are already attracting customers. One of the most useful features of EverBee is product research. Instead of guessing what people might want to buy, you can explore real products and gain insights into sales performance, competition level, and potential opportunities. This can help reduce the risk of creating products that nobody is searching for. For creators who sell digital products, EverBee can be especially helpful. Whether you are creating templates, planners, design assets, printable products, or other digital downloads, understanding what customers are already purchasing can provide valuable direction. Rather than starting from a blank page, you can identify trends and build products around proven demand. Another important feature is keyword research. Choosing the right keywords can have a major impact on product visibility. EverBee helps users discover keywords that buyers are actively searching for. This can improve product listing and make it easier to potential customers to find your products. The platform also includes AI-powered tools that can help you to speed up the product creation process. Instead of spending hours brainstorming titles, description, or product ideas, creators can use AI assistants to generate suggestions and improve their listing. This can be particularly useful for beginners who may not have much experience with product marketing. One thing many users appreciate about EverBee is simple interface. The platform is designed to be easy to understand even for the people who are new to online selling. You do not need advanced technical skills to start researching products and exploring opportunities. For print-on-demand sellers, EverBee can help identify niches that are already generating interest. For print-on-demand sellers, EverBee can help identify the niches that are already getting interest. These allow sellers to create designs that are more likely to align with customer demand rather than relying entirely on guesswork. The same advantage applies to digital creators looking for ideas in growing markets. Another benefit is the time savings. Product research often requires checking multiple listings, studying competitors, and analyzing market trends. EverBee brings much of this information together in one place, helping users to make decisions more quickly and efficiently. Of course, no research tool can guarantee success. A profitable opportunity still requires quality products, good marketing, and consistent effort. EverBee should be viewed as a decision-making tool rather than a shortcut to instant results. However, having access to market insights can give creators a significant advantage compared to relying only on assumption. So who is EverBee best for? It is a strong choice for digital product creators, print-on-demand sellers, Etsy entrepreneurs, and anyone who is looking for data-driven product ideas. If you want to spend less time guessing and more time creating products that people actually want, then EverBee can be a valuable addition to your toolkit. That brings us to the end of this video. EverBee combines product research, keyword insights, and AI-powered assistance to help creators find opportunities and create products more confidently. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the description link for any available EverBee offers. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.